How do I stop hearing my own voice through my PS4 headset?
Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today, we're tackling a common problem experienced by many PS4 users, hearing your own voice through your headset. This echo can be quite distracting, but don't worry, we'll walk you through some effective solutions to fix this issue.
Is your headset plugged in correctly?
First things first, let's make sure the headset is plugged in correctly. The audio feedback can sometimes be a result of a poor connection. Ensure your headset's connectors are clean and free of debris. Ensure your headset is fully plugged into the console or controller. If this doesn't fix the issue, we can proceed to the next step.
Are you using a compatible headset?
Remember, not all headsets are fully compatible with PS4. If you're using a non-compatible headset, it may cause the echo problem. Make sure to use a headset that is certified to be compatible with PS4 for the best experience.
Have you adjusted your microphone level?
Sometimes, the echo might be due to high microphone levels. Let's see how we can adjust this. 1. Go to Settings from your PS4 home screen. 2. Select Devices. 3. Select Audio Devices. 4. Select Adjust Microphone Level. 5. Lower the volume so your voice is just barely picked up. Try testing the sound after you adjust the microphone level.
Are you using the latest system software?
Make sure you're using the latest system software on your PS4. Outdated software may cause several issues, including audio feedback. 1. Go to Settings from your PS4 home screen. 2. Select System Software Update. 3. If there's an update available, select Update and let the system update.
Is your controller firmware up to date?
The controller's firmware might also be the culprit. Make sure it's updated. 1. Connect your controller to the PS4 with a USB cable. 2. Go to Settings on your PS4. 3. Choose Devices and then Controllers. 4. Select Update Controller if you see the option. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of hearing your own voice through your PS4 headset. Remember, if all else fails, consider reaching out to PlayStation's customer support. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide was helpful. Happy gaming!